How to really protect your Apple account from theft. Guys, this is very simple thing you need to do, and it's very crucial because once someone access your iPhone and is able to access your Apple account, then the fellow is going to take control of everything on your device. I know what it means. It might access your account details and any other important thing you have on your phone. So the best you can do is to fully protect your iPhone from third party except you and you alone. There's a particular thing you need to do right away that I'm very sure most of iPhone users don't know the importance of this, and that is what you want to do or you want to learn in this particular video. In that regard, sit back and watch this video to the end as I put you through all the process in just 5 minutes. Yes, you will not spend up to 5 minutes before you get all these things set up. The first thing you have to do is to go to your iPhone and tap on settings button. Once you tap on settings button, it brings to this interface. Now, when you see my name, this place must be highly controlled. If this place is enabled on your device, and once someone take your device and is able to access this place using your settings account or your setting button and tap on your profile name or icon and is able to access this place, the first thing the fellow is going to do is to go and sign in security option and tap on that button. Once he's able to get to this button, the first thing he's going to do after accessing this place is to change your passcode. Even if you have your 2FA authentication activated, if he's able or if they are able to change your passcode, you'll be logged out of this completely and then turn off other recovery setting you've turned on this part of the iPhone. So with this threat alone, your iPhone and your Apple account is in danger. So what you need to do now to protect yourself from this mess, it is very simple. So go back to the settings button again and tap on it. Once tap on it, then scroll up until you get to this button that says screen time. Tap on screen time. Once tap on screen time, the first time we are doing this, if it's your first time you are doing this, you're going to see an option to set up your screen time. Just follow the on-screen process and set up your screen time. It won't take longer and it's very simple thing to do. Make sure you set up your screen time. Once tap on set up your screen time, come over to this place where you see content and privacy restriction. Tap on it. Once tap on that button, make sure that this button is enabled. This first one, make sure that it's enabled. If it is not enabled, make sure that content and privacy restriction button is enabled. By default, it's not enabled. Go ahead and tap on this. That's the first thing you have to do. Once you tap on it and it's enabled, then scroll down. Scroll down to the place that says allow change to. Now, the first thing you have to do here is to tap on your account. Once tap on your account, tap on don't allow. Then go back again to the main page here. Wait a few seconds and you will see that your Apple account is not allowed to be changed again. You can see. Now the question now is this: what of if I want to change or I want to reset something on my account? Then it's no problem. You have to go back to the same place again by going to your screen time, tap on it, then scroll up to this place, content and privacy restriction. Tap on it. Once tap on it, make sure that this button is activated or is enabled. Then scroll up to this particular page again, tap on it, then make it allow. Then provide your skin code if you have one. Then come back here. You say that this will be enabled in a very few seconds. Let's tap on it. It has enabled. So that is one thing you have to do, and that's how to set it up. But the best thing you can do now is to go back to this place where there is screen time again. Tap on it. Now scroll up until you get to this place. Here you see change screen time passcode. If you are doing it for the very first time, go ahead and tap on that button to set up your screen time passcode. This is a 4-digit code, different from the one you used to open your iPhone or to activate the screen of your iPhone. Most especially, this is always a 4-digit code. I will encourage you learn this by heart or you write it somewhere else. So, and if you don't know that or if you can't learn it by heart, please write and keep it somewhere safe. Once that button is tapped and you follow the screen process, you set your account. Make sure you come back to this place that says content and privacy restriction. Tap on this and make sure that you go to your Apple account here. You can see, tap on it and tap on don't allow. Provide your password again. That's all. So if tap on don't allow, I am very sure that your Apple account, your Apple ID is secure, because even if your iPhone is lost and they are unable to access your Apple account, then you are very good to go. The next thing you can do now to protect yourself from this mess is to be sure that without your permission, no one can control your control panel. Yes. If they are able to control your control panel without your permission, there is fire on the mountain. So make sure that you put all this in control and secure your Apple account, because this owns everything about your device and your account. So if you enjoy what I've explained, if you not subscribe, please take few seconds of your time to subscribe. Tap the bell notification icon so that when we drop another important tips like this, you have access to it as soon as possible.